Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to see messages from all accounts in Gmail. If you're someone who uses multiple email accounts, this feature can help you stay organized and manage your emails more efficiently. Let's get started. Step 1. On your Android phone or tablet, open the Gmail app. Step 2. In the top left corner of the screen, you'll find a menu icon. Tap on it to access the Gmail menu. Step 3. From the menu options, select All Inboxes. By choosing this option, you will be able to see messages from all your linked accounts in one consolidated view. With these simple steps, you can easily view messages from all your accounts in Gmail, saving you time and effort. That's it for this tutorial on how to see messages from all accounts in Gmail. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy emailing.